So now we have to start with the chapter biodiversity and its conservation. So there are two terms. One is diversity and second is biodiversity. Diversity means different form of anything or any object. Let's take how the things are different from each other, or what are these. Suppose we are taking the example of food. So there is a different kind of food in Himachal Pradesh, there is a different kind of food in Punjab, and the food is totally different in the South India of that part of India. So this we can say this is the type of diversity. If simply we talk about the different clothing pattern, then there is a different clothing pattern in Rajasthan and different clothing pattern in Paschim Bengal. If we talk about culture, then there is a different type of culture or language in Gujarat, then different type of language or culture in Odisha, and different type in Telangana, and so on. That means each and every, that means part of India or world, there is a diversity in different thing. Okay, either maybe in language, maybe in culture, maybe in dance form, maybe in its different type of force. So there is a different diversity, not only in India, is throughout the world. Now second term, here another term is known as biodiversity. So there are two words, one word is bio and second word is diversity. So diversity will remain same, that means different kind of form, and bio means living thing. That means there is a different kinds of animals, plants, they form the biodiversity. That means different type of the biodiversity means different type of plants, animals, microbes on the earth or in India. This is known as biodiversity. Okay, so now first try to understand some geographical we can say constituent of the India in the world map. Here this is the equator line. If we see the location of India in this equator line, then start from 8 degree north to 37 degree north. So that means after equator, north south, and this part is mainly tropical part of the, we can say this globe. So 8 degree north to 37 degree, we can say north. So this is the geographical distribution of India in the world map. So now see that there are different habitat or different types of, we can say quality in habitat or environment. Like there is a different kind of habitat in Jammu Kashmir, mainly snow is there. If we talk about Rajasthan, then desert is there. If we talk about Kerala, then we can say coastal area is there. So there are different kinds of habitat also, along with the culture and other things. Now, if we talk about the estimation of total biodiversity or global biodiversity in this world, then according to a scientist that is known as by the name Robert May, he estimated the 7 million species are there. But according to IUCN is a society, International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, in 2004, this is data of 2004, according to its recorded, there are 1.5 million total species are recorded. Okay, now if we talk about India, then India about 8.1%, that means about 8.1% diversity or biodiversity present in India of the entire world, and India only contribute 2.4% area of the globe. That means only in 2.4% area we have 8.1% of a total biodiversity of the world. Okay, so now we can say, now there are different habitat in different area of the India. Now according to a sociobiologist Edward Wilson, he has given 3 different types of diversity level. One is known as genetic diversity, second is known as species diversity, and third is known as ecological diversity. Now very first we have to talk about genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is on at a variety level. Like there are different varieties. There are different varieties of mango, different varieties of wheat, different varieties of rice. कोई बासमती है, कोई सिंपल है, different variety of wheat, कोई dwarf wheat है, कोई semi dwarf wheat है. Like किसी में आयरन कंटेंट जाता है, किसी में अदर न्यूट्रिएंट कंटेंट ज्यादा है, किसी में प्रोटीन के साथ है, तो दैट मीन्स देयर आर डिफरेंट वी कैन से वैरायटी. इफ वी कैन सी द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ fruits, different types of other crops, or we can say in a garden we can see the different kinds of flower of a we can say single species, that is a rose. Okay, so if we talk about genetic diversity, that means genetic diversity at genetic level, that means at the variety level, that means species is same in the single species, how many different types of varieties are there. So 3 examples we have to take here. Okay, this is the Himalayan region of India. There is a medicinal plant known as Rauwolfia vomitoria, which secrete a chemical known as reserpine, and this reserpine help to treat the hypertension. So the difference in the amount of that chemical substance secreted by that medicinal plant. So more than 80 types of these Rauwolfia vomitoria varieties are there in the Himalayan region of India. Second case we can take the of mango. Mango mainly we can say cultivated in Madhya Pradesh region of India. So in India more than 1000 varieties of mangoes are there. जैसे कोई हापुस है, कोई लंगड़ा है, कोई कुछ है. So that means there are more than 1000 varieties of mangoes are there. And third example is of rice. If you talk about rice, so rice mainly cultivated in Bihar and Paschim Bengal mainly. Some other parts are also there. If you talk about in India, then more than 50,000 varieties of rice are there in India. So we can say more than 80 variety of this medicinal plant, more than 5,000 variety of mango, and more than 50,000 variety of rice. So this is the diversity at the genetic level. So that means we can see there are in a single species they are different form. Like we are human being only the species is only Homo sapiens. That means species is a sapiens. But some are African, some are Indian, some are Chinese, some are that means different. We can say this is the variety in a human population. Second is species diversity. Now species diversity. Species diversity means we have to account the diversity of a particular area or particular region, or we can say in a particular community. Like I can say the diversity in Jammu Kashmir is less than diversity in NP. Suppose that means